abo bakufutshane noSomizi bamxelela ba singadibani endleleni kweentsuku betha ngempama. Aba ngempama bangambona endleleni uSomizi. Untshontsile uSomizi. Guys are working hard for the mali yethu. Umuntu angagqibi ne 2 minutes. Awugqiba uthatha abantu kwi-event yakho uhamba nabo uya kwenye event. Kodwa ubhukwe nguwe uSomizi. Andifuni imali yam back makayitye. Akayitye ahluthe mpu. Guys umuntu angagqibi ne 2 minutes and akaqali uSomizi ukwenza lento. uSomizi wafika kwiBerlin November. Wathi hi ebantwini wawayivisa kwiBerlin November. Awugqiba wehle stage ohlale hotel the whole day. Uyaphinda futhi uSomizi usithatha njengantoni? Somizi. Sizigaka pha kuwo Somizi. uSomizi lo ucimba sizindoni kanye apha eEastern Cape. Berlin November wenze into eyi-1. Bakhala abantu bayiba uSomizi. 2 minutes kum 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Andifuni mali yam makayitye lo. Ola singadibani erhangeni. Futhula impama.
Hello everybody, Somizi here. I'm here to address the issue yesterday East London at an event that I was booked at Boogie Petegamen B, and he has just posted something talking back about me and my level of professionalism. So I will address it. Let's start. So we get the booking for the event. We can only do the Sunday part of the event. Then they pay the deposit, great. Then they eventually pay the full amount, great. Then we start communicating. My manager starts communicating with them to ask them, Aibo, where's the accommodation? Now, we manage what time our flights? Then they send the flights sharp. But we specifically said, I have a gig earlier that day in Johannesburg. Now note that. I have a gig earlier that day in Johannesburg. Can I take the last flight, 5:30 to East London, and then I will come straight to the gig? They said no, the gig ends at 6. So when I meant be, ask your guy lol who was doing your things, ask him what he said to us first. He said the gig ends at 6 sharp. I cancel the gig as a Johannesburg because I want you guys book me first. We take a 12 o'clock flight. We've been asking about accommodation 2 days before the event. Day before the event, we've been giving the dilly daily. Eventually, this Gwili guy says, we've booked you Hemingways. Yes, well, I insisted with Hemingways, 1 corner suite for me and 1 suite for my manager. One standard room for my manager. Sharp. They say sharp. We ask about accommodation. Here we ask about accommodation. Here we ask about accommodation. Up until we got on the flight at 12. Then he says, booking confirmed at Hemingways. Sharp. We are on the flight. He says he will pick us up. He knows the flight details. Sharp. We arrive. He's not there. We call. He hasn't left the hotel. Now, I must wait at the airport for 25 minutes. Melanie and I, no, I don't work like that. Because I want to get off the plane, straight into my car, waiting for me. I'm not supposed to be waiting for the car as an artist or a talent. Sharp. I immediately request Uber from my pocket. Uber arrives, we leave. Then he calls. The car is 17 minutes away, and then we tell him, no, with Uber, don't bother. Sharp. We leave. I'm already saying Kwatil. Sharp. We get to the hotel. We check in. As I'm signing my room paper, my manager signs. They give us a speed point. I'm like, speed point? But you know, the rooms have been paid for. My manager calls Squilly. Squilly, the rooms are not being paid for. He says, wait for us at reception. I'm like, yo, we wait at reception. No, I'm not waiting at reception. I'm tired. I want to rest before the show. Luckily, the hotel is nice enough. They say, no, go wait in your suite. They will come sort it out. Thank you. They give us rooms. Nothing is paid. We wait. I'm like, but they said the events end at 6 and it's now 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Nothing's happening. We're asking, when is my slot? They sent my slot at 6. The 6 Liberty, the gig ends now. Hey! Wow. Ankwatile manje. Ngiboreke sharp. Bathi bangifuna estage ngo 10. Ngithi mina I can't make it ngo 10 because I already have another gig in East London, Azuro. I have another gig, Azuro. Now, his gripe is that I'm busy posting good things when say Azuro. I'm not posting him. When we made it clear, you pay for me to post. I don't know about other artists. The only time I will post for free is because of the relationship I have with the promoter. It's because of how nice the promoter is. Ubuntu, I will do that. But you're not going to instruct me to post. That's not my job. You pay for marketing. And it's not my job to publicize the event. I will post from the goodness of my heart. Don't tell me what I should post. Otherwise, you pay for it. You are paying me for my services to MC at your event. And we made that clear. So, my deal na Azuro is fine in Yaki. I find it at all. But if they were nice from the onset, I was going to say, I'm ready, I'm coming there without pay. But sharp, I'm not obliged to post. Then I go to Azuro, and then at 10, we drive to the event. Now, I'm communicating with another artist that I'm supposed to be introducing, but he's also stuck at the hotel. It's just that artists will never be bold to talk or speak out. All the artists that were there were very unhappy. Very unhappy. It was the most disorganized concert or event that I've ever been to. Disorganized. Now, I arranged transportation, ground transportation for myself to take me to the thing. I arranged security for myself. Azur even provided extra security to take me to the venue. They provided nothing. Zilch, zero, fuck all. We get there, they're already agitated. Stefan, we're matching the energy. Ati, you can go sit at the marquee. No, I don't want to sit at the marquee. I'm here so that I'm speaking to the production organizer. I'm saying I'm here so that you don't say I did not come. But I am going on stage. I'm going to go once and I leave. Because you met none of the obligations or the agreement that we spoke about. This production guy has the audacity to say name 1. I said to him, I'll name 5. And I named them all. You did not fetch me at the airport on time. You did not pay for the accommodation. You did not send me the schedule on time. You did not arrange transport. The car that I'm in right now, you don't know it. You did not provide anything that we've agreed on. The only thing that even the flights, I canceled the gig because of you. So nothing has been provided for. Stage and mic introduce the artist Nhambe. And that was it. And I knew this was coming, but I thought if Anengondo he will realize that he messed up. That event was a flop. Flop. The stage is a corner, guys. Hitafula. Literally, hitafula. If you can get injured there, it's game over. I don't know what was the whole thing about, but something was off about that event. Something was off. Ask any artist that was there, they will tell you. Ask any audience member that was there, they will tell you. I met people at the reception of the hotel who came for the event. They said, what a waste of our time. Their experiences were worse than that. I met artists that told me that were playing there, which they've ended up spending more money from their own pockets to cover certain things. And he knows the truth. Lastly, yesterday, because I extended my day, yesterday I'm going out with my friends. The reception calls and says, hi, Put, accommodation hasn't been paid for. I paid for my accommodation. I paid for my accommodation. I paid for my ground transport. I paid for everything except for my flights. And top of that, My manager sends me a text, says they've cancelled our return flights. Said, no problem, I'll buy my own flights. So yeah, that is the story. And he says I did this East London July, whatever, I forgot that thing. It's because of the same reason. I am the most professional. My work ethic is unmatched. But don't disrespect my craft and don't disrespect me, because I deliver according to how I'm being treated. And if only 2 events where I did that, and both were East London, and I'm fine. Don't ever book me again. I don't want your business. If you promote, I've done gigs in East London, London Roots, Azuri, you name them. Promoters in East London, they do the most beautiful job, beautiful gig. It's those that think just because they've got access to finances or something, I don't know, or they don't want to invest in professional stuff. So I'm good, Papa. And Vele, you are not gonna get your money back because you inconvenienced me in a whole lot of ways. So sharp. And you can call me names. I honestly don't care. I don't know you. I've never met you. And then about you bouncer or Shayana. I sabonga put yaksaba me. Grand. Thank you, people, for listening. Mwah. And I'm done with responding.
Jonga Menbi, you are too desperate for fame. So waziwa ngosomizi. I mean, Menbi, we knew nothing about your event. You came to us 5 days before your event. You came to me and Asanda Empires. Asanda, who is a business partner, Yam. You came to us. You asked So my brother, please.